Hi, my name is George, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about DustaClean, how it works, the benefits, and why it's getting so much attention right now. If you've ever tried to clean your car, your couch, or those hard-to-reach corners at home, but ended up frustrated with dust still everywhere, stay with me for a moment. Before we go any further, let me make one small, honest agreement with you. If at the end of this video you don't feel DustaClean is right for you, just say no. No pressure at all. But if you do like what you see and it makes sense for your routine and your budget, let's agree you'll take action today instead of putting it off. Fair deal? So, what is DustaClean and why are so many people adding it to their cleaning routine? DustaClean is a compact portable vacuum cleaner designed to remove dust, crumbs, and debris from tight spaces like cars, sofas, keyboards, and corners of your home. Its design combines practical features such as a high-speed motor, rechargeable lithium battery, HEPA filter system, multi-nozzle attachments, and a lightweight ergonomic body. Instead of bulky, heavy vacuum cleaners or struggling with cloths and brushes, DustaClean offers a quick and convenient way to keep your space clean anytime. Each unit is designed for ease of use, allowing you to clean small areas efficiently without cords or complicated setups. Thousands of people have already added DustaClean to their routine, and the feedback goes beyond just convenience. Many report saving time and finally being able to clean areas that were previously difficult to reach. Many report saving time and finally being able to clean areas that were previously difficult to reach. Of course, every experience is different. Some people notice the convenience and portability right from the first use, but the real value becomes clear over time, as regular use helps maintain a consistently cleaner environment with less effort. What surprised me the most wasn't just how practical it was how easy it made everyday cleaning. I could quickly clean my car, sofa, or desk without needing to bring out a big vacuum cleaner or spend too much time. There was no stress, no complicated process, just a simple solution that fits into real life. That's why DustaClean is often offered with a satisfaction guarantee. You're not asked to rely on promises. You simply see how it fits into your routine. I made this video for one simple reason: to share something that made everyday cleaning easier and more practical. And because when a product becomes popular, low-quality imitations tend to appear, which is why it's important to be careful where you buy it. If you decide to try DustaClean, consistency matters. Use it regularly as intended to keep your spaces clean and dust-free. Each unit is designed with practical features and tested to ensure usability and performance. Your routine is personal, but tools that make daily tasks easier instead of more complicated are the ones that truly make a difference. That's why so many people choose to keep DustaClean as part of their cleaning routine. If this resonates with you, the official link is right below this video in the description and the first pinned comment. Take this step for yourself and make your daily cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient.